Hello and welcome. I'm Lensa Augustine. In this lesson, we're looking at how to solve this nice geometry problem. Now, we've been given triangle ABC, which is a right triangle. That's a right angled triangle. Now, we've been given the side 11 mm, and we have to find m plus n plus 12. Wow, how do we do this? Wow, this is very tricky, but we're going to do that in a very simple way. Wow. So from Pythagoras theorem, we can do something, right? So from Pythagoras theorem, you write n squared equals 11 squared plus m squared. Now we have n squared minus m squared equals 11 squared. Wow. And this gives difference of two squares, right? So we take n plus m into n minus m. Wow. Equals 11 squared is 121 in a very simple way. Now, we get stuck. What do we do again? Let us find the factors of 121, right? So I have 1 times 121 and then 11 times 11 times 11, right? So these are the possible factors of 121. So I take n plus m into n minus m is equal to 1 times 121. That is one case. Or n plus m into n minus m equals 11 times 11. You also have another case there in a very simple way. So what do we do? So we have the first one, n plus m equals 1. Do you get that? Yes. And then n minus m equals 121. Wow. Now look at this. Here, n is greater than m. I hope you know that because this is a right triangle. And the hypotenuse is always greater than this side and it's also greater than this side in a very simple way. So n plus m is 1, n minus m is 121. Okay. Then you also have another option that is n plus m equals 121 and then n minus m equals 1. Wow. Then here too, we have n plus m equals 11, n minus m equals 11. That one is also option. So let's tackle this one. Here, if I add equation 1 and equation 2, I'll get 2n equals 22, which gives n equals 11. And if I put 11 for this side, okay, let me put 11 here. 11 plus m equals 11, I have m equals 0 in a very simple way. So I have m equals 0 and then n equals 11. Now, let's see what happens. Then we look at this one. Here, I have n plus m equals 1, n minus m equals 121. If I add, I get 2n equals 122, which means n equals 66. Wow, if n equals 66 here, then I have 66. Wow, I have 66 plus m equal 1. Is that it? No, is that 60? 61 rather here. Because 2 divide 12, 6, 2 divide to 1. So I have 61. Then I get m to be equal to negative 61 in a very simple way. So we get m equal 60 rather. Why? M equal negative 60. So we have n equal 61 and then m equal negative 60. So we put it there. N equal 61, m equal negative 60. That one is also an option. Let it be. Then we take this one. Okay, so let's take that one. We take that one. We have n plus m equals 121, n minus m equals 1. If we add this, we're going to have 2n equals 122, and we have n equals 61. Wow. If n is equal to 61, then let's put it where? Anywhere. Okay, let me put it here. I have 61 minus m equals 1. Then 60 equals m. So another solution is n equals 61, m equals 60. Wow. Now, which of these options best fit what we have there? Now, we need the distance from A to B and the distance from B to C. Now, the distance from A to B can never be 0, right? It can never be 0. So this option will be discarded because that one is impossible, right? You cannot have A to be 0. That's good. And again, the distance here also cannot be negative. Wow. That is it. That's good. So it means that we have m to be equal to 60 and n to be equal to 61. Wow. And I tell you that n is greater than m. And you see that 61 is also greater than 60 in a very simple way. Now, we are good to go. So we have 60 plus 61 plus 12. That is 72 plus 61. This will give me 3. 7 plus 6 is 13, right? So that is 1, 3, 3 in a very simple way. Thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed the lesson. Please follow my page, like my videos, share, and leave your comments for us to build the mathematics community.